Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to manage and track your transactions in Google Wallet. Let's get straight into the video. So for viewing transaction history, how you're going to do that is to open the Google Wallet app on your Android device and then tap the transactions tab to view your transaction history, and then just select a transaction to check out its details. Now for transaction details, there are a couple of things you're going to find. You're going to find a transaction date and time, so you can view the date and time of the transaction. There's also transaction amounts, so you view the amount of the transaction, and of course there's the payment method, where you can view the payment method used for the transaction. And there's also the merchant information, where you can view the merchant's name and location. Now for managing transactions, there are a couple of ways that you can manage that. You can cancel a transaction if it's pending or incomplete. You could also refund a transaction. You could request a refund for a transaction if it is eligible. You could also dispute a transaction if it's unauthorized or incorrect. Now for tracking transactions, there are a couple of ways that you can track transactions. The first is to set up transaction alerts to receive notifications for new transactions. There's also monitor your transaction history, so you can regularly monitor your transaction history to detect any suspicious activities. There's also use Google Wallet's transaction tracking feature, so you can use Google Wallet transaction tracking feature to stay on top of your spending, and that's gonna help you out. Now Google Wallet transaction tracking features include transaction history, transaction alerts, and spending insight. So you're going to be able to take advantage of that to help you track your expenses and such. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.